welcome back to my channel. I have been gone for 2 weeks, I would say. I've been super sick. You can still kind of hear it in my voice. If you hear me sniffing my nose, apologies in advance because I know it's gonna happen. I've been sick with the flu, like really bad. I had to call out of work. It's been probably the worst 2 weeks I've had in a very long time. So as you can see, even I don't look 100% better, but I needed to get back into the swing of things. So I decided to do this challenge that I've been wanting to do for a while now. I saw it done by NikkiTutorials, which all hail, and where she goes into her mom's house, grabs the makeup, and then makes a makeup look with it. So my mom loves makeup just like me. She was a makeup artist for many years from Merle Norman and Lancome. So going into her makeup drawer is like Christmas morning. She gets Ipsy bags, so that's mostly what she has. So it's kind of like a samples, but she has a couple full-size things. We're gonna go take a look into her room and then we'll be right back for the tutorial. Okay, so I'm in my mom's room and looking ratchet as all get out because her lighting is perfect in her room. And I found some of her makeup, which she has a lot of it. So it's not like when NikkiTutorials did this, her mom had like 5 different things she was gonna use. My mom has like mounds of makeup. So, and yes, that's me as a fairy when I was younger. Anyways, so I'm gonna zoom you guys down, show you what I found, and then we're gonna head on over. So this is what I found. She gets Ipsy, well, not anymore. So this was laying on her thing. So what is that called? Armoire, something like that. So these are all her perfumes. Oh, don't need those. This sounds like it's gonna be good. It's really hard to hold this phone. Ooh, jackpot. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff that I use that she uses, and then this looks like just some random stuff of makeup. So I'm gonna grab these, I'm gonna head on over to where I set up, and let's get to going. Okay, so I sat down and I'm starting to look through a couple of her bags because she has a lot of makeup, and so far so good. I've found a couple things that I've never used before, so that's kind of cool. I'm gonna try and use this Maybelline Brow Define Fill Duo. I've never used it. It's in deep brown, which is a little dark for me. Sorry, my window is giving weird light. And she has Lancome, so that is a plus. I'm going to use that. Sorry, stand. Ooh, primer oil. Maybe we use that instead because I've never gotten to use that. She does have foundation, which is a plus, but my mom is way rootier than me, I guess you could say. I'm very porcelain toned and she's very deep. She has way darker skin than me, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So she has the Simply Ageless. We just bought this for her a couple months ago. So I don't know, maybe I can try, but I don't think so. She has a Lancome eyeliner I don't think she realizes she has, so that's nice. I stumbled upon, and then this is a Luxie one that's not even been opened, so that's kind of nice. So I'm pretty sure there is like absolutely no eyeshadows. I have not found one yet, so that's kind of a bummer. Oh no, I did find one. I found this, so I guess we're doing a purple eye because literally that's all she has. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the only eyeshadow she has. Oh no. Oh, well, no, that's not good. Okay. So I guess we're gonna start off with, I'm gonna try the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. I don't think I've ever tried this, but I did see one of the Instagrammers that I follow say that she uses this on her skin before she puts foundation on. So we'll see what it does for my skin. I have combination skin. I have oily and dry. And I have really oily skin in my T-zone, and then everywhere else I I'm super dry. This is gonna be so difficult. She has no beauty blender. She has nothing. I guess this makes me realize that I need to buy my mother foundation and some stuff. Okay, so definitely not my shade. Like, there's just no way I can blend this into my neck. There's just no way. No way. My personal Instagram, you can know how darker my mom is than me, and this is actually not that bad. So I'm just gonna take it and run with it. I don't even think she has a concealer, so that's another thing on my to-do list to get my mom. This is Naked Cosmetics. It's not even been opened. This is Banana HD Finishing Powder. Sorry, in the shade Banana. And, oh God, it has one of those clear things. We're gonna open it, see if maybe I can put this under my eyes as to help something. It's in the shade Banana, so that kind of gives me hope that maybe we can brighten it up just a little bit. No, not really. I think this is as good as it's gonna get on the foundation front. I do, just like I said, I'm gonna be trying a new brow by Maybelline. I've never even heard of this. I also have, in case this one goes horribly wrong, I have JCat Perfect Brow Pencil, and I also have Me Beautiful Brows. Never even heard of that brand. With the stick side first. Oh, my mom's blind. With her little mirror that she has that I've seen her do her makeup with 1,000 times. And then I think you're supposed to use maybe the powder side to, that says defining powder. Oh, I messed up. This was supposed to be to fill it in. I don't like this stuff. And that is my review on that. This sucks. Not bad. It's really dark. And I just, if you haven't noticed, I did my hair some pink in it. And so this is like giving me some, I mean, this is my roots times 2. So now that the brows are completed, I'm going to try and go on to eyeshadow and just get it over with, because this color scares the bejeezers out of me. It's called Matte Moskowski. You look gorgeous. That's what it says. So it's by The Balm. She has one eyeshadow brush, so I guess we're just gonna dip into that, and excuse me while I wipe my nose because it's running. It's very pigmented, so that's nice to know, but it's, oh, help me. Okay, so that's as dark as I'm gonna go with this, because I feel like it's just splotchy because I don't have a eyeshadow primer and or concealer to lay down the color on top of. So I just feel like it's just gonna get more splotchy and inconsistent if I keep putting more on. Okay, now that we have the eyeshadow on, I'm trying to find just either a shimmery color or something I can lighten this up with, and I'm not finding it. I swear she's gotten so many more eyeshadows in her Ipsy bags, and either she's passed them on to me or she's thrown them away. So I just found a concealer. It's a little orange on me, but we're gonna, I think I've never been happier to see concealer in my life. She has this, but maybe it'll work. It's very matte. It's not shimmery at all. Maybe we can put this on the lid and kind of help me out a little bit here. We're gonna be using the Ofra, however you say it, blush. I've used this before, but I'm not gonna go to my Old Faithful. I'm using something that I don't use constantly. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheeks just because I don't have a bronzer. I know a lot came out, but we have no highlighter. We have no eyeshadow that can double as highlighter. So this is a very sad day. Next, she has a waterproof mascara, and then she has good old Lancome Defensials. That's how you say it, yes. And then she also has this black ebony eyeliner, and I don't think she realizes she has this because it was in the bottom of her bag. So we're gonna dip into this. Yeah, I don't even think it's been used. Wow, what a steal. And I think we're gonna darken this up just because I'm wearing dark colors already. Thank God she has one of these. But my question to my mom is, I'm asking you, Mom, because I know you watch all my videos. Why do you steal mine if you have your own? Now we're gonna go in with Lancome. Fun fact, whenever I was little, my mom would have little pressed powders from Lancome, little eyeshadows, like the eyeshadow quads from Lancome. She'd have a lot of Lancome makeup. Nose break. My mom used to have a lot of sample sizes of stuff, and then my grandpa would give me money on Christmas to go get my mom makeup. And you have to remember, if I went to the mall, my mom was with me. So, because I didn't start driving till 22, but I mean, I started working before that, don't get me wrong, but my grandpa would always give me like $100 and be like, go get your mom something for Christmas. And I remember always going to the Lancome counter or Elizabeth Arden counter and being like, what's the best deal? Because I only had so much money to spend, and still to this day, if I can buy her Lancome and stuff like that, I would want to, just because it is her favorite makeup. Now for my mother's signature makeup essential in her purse, lipstick. So from a really small age, also my mom always had lipstick on, always told me, where's your lipstick? Anytime I got out of the car, from junior high all the way until high school. And now I think she realizes what she passed down to me, because I have like over 100 lipsticks, and most of them are in like a rosy nude shade, just because that's what my mom constantly wore whenever I was little. I owe all of my makeup love and addiction to my mom. So whenever she bashes on me for spending too much money on makeup, I just look at her and be like, that was you. So as you can see, my mom is just like me and never sharpens her pencils. So I know she has a sharpener. Yes, she does. With that exact color, because this is her favorite. Ofra, however. And this is in the shade Wine, and that's totally my mom. Not because she drinks, but these shades are just her. I am going to go in with the Tarte. This is like one of the liquid lipsticks I know me and her both have, in Rose. And I'm just gonna put it in the middle. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Pretty sure we covered it all, even though we didn't have a lot of stuff. But this is what my mother's makeup did for me. Not that much. Love her to death, but we need to go shopping. I really enjoyed going through her makeup. It's kind of like a memory thing for me, as well as like what NikkiTutorials said on her tutorial. At a very young age, girls look at their mom in this light of, I don't know, she's the queen, you know, and they do stuff that you eventually start doing. And I know me personally, I've said some things and I'm like, oh my God, I just sounded like my mother. And I'm like shocked by it, which I don't care because my mom's a great person, great human being, but going through her makeup is something that I was allowed to do at a young age, but I snuck and did because it's your mom's makeup. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I know Nikki did it first. Thank you so much, Nikki, for the inspiration. And hopefully I will see you guys very soon. Keep those prayers coming. I'm hoping to feel 100% better in the next coming week. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, quick fun fact. This isn't part of the video, but I'm probably gonna end up putting it in. This color line though, ooh, see when the light changes in my room, it just, what is going on? It didn't look this bad, and then now it's just oxidizing higher and higher and higher, and whew, I shouldn't even put this on YouTube. This is bad. Another check-in. It did look this bad. I just looked back on the footage, and I don't know how I'm my mother's daughter. I am so pale compared to her. Why? Oh, just kidding. I think. Oh. I'm confused. I'm going to be going in with the Ofra, however you say it, blush. It is a, oh, whoops, let's try that again. Ofra, let's try it again, and then you just mess it up again. How is that? How's that possible? It's possible. She has some weird stuff in here, let me tell you. If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that? I'm done. No more singing. My voice, no more singing.